Welcome to the Infront INFGET time series data tutorial. In previous tutorials, we have seen how to build templates using fundamentals and estimates figures with the Excel add-in. Within this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to fetch specific indicators or specific statistics on time series values, such as the average value, performance, VWAP, or volume average of the close price, using the second parameter of the INFGET function. Using the INFGET panel to retrieve the average value of the open price, select the company code cell F2 as your first parameter, then lock it in absolute reference by pressing the F4 button once. To set the second parameter, select the cell called Open in F5. Lock this in column reference by pressing F4 twice. Now click on the Calculation button and select the AVG ratio. Set the duration parameter to 3 weeks. As you can see, for time series values, the duration parameter can be set to different time scales such as days, weeks, months, or years. Finally, replace the period parameter with the reference to the first period of your template, H4, and freeze the row by pressing F4 twice. The duration now automatically reflects the period from 3 weeks prior the set date to the date itself. Click on Apply using the simple function format. The second parameter is now formulated with the selected calculation and the duration parameter. You can simplify the build of your template by replacing the second parameter by cell reference. In this instance, click on F9. Then, drag the cell formula up to the last period column to update the template. You can also get the performance of the close price for the previous 15 days. To do this, first, copy H9 into H10 and change the AVG keyword to PERF, the open to close, and the duration parameter to 15 days. Ensure that there is no space between the number and the duration. With the same format as in the previous example, use the INFGET panel on the H10 cell. Select your company code and lock it into absolute reference. Select the F10 cell as your second parameter and freeze the column. All the parameters will be automatically set in the panel. Set the first value of your periods row as the third parameter and freeze the row. Click on Apply using the simple function format. Drag the cell formula up to the last column to update all the calculations. We will now look at retrieving the volume-weighted average price of the close price value for the last 3 months. This indicator allows us to see the trends of the average price compared to the volume on a given period. Copy F10 to F11 and change the PERF keyword to VWAP and the duration parameter to 3 months. Copy the line H9 through J9 to H11 through K11. The results will be recalculated and updated automatically. We have copied line 9 and not line 10 because the expected format are numbers, whereas the performance result is set into percent. If you copy a line that is set as a percentage, you simply need to change the cell format after you have pasted the line. You can also retrieve statistics on volume. To get the daily volume average value on a period from one date to another, you can copy the parameters used in F9 and replace open by volume. You can also compare the average volume to the cumulative volume on the same period using the cumulative keyword instead of AVG. This calculation can be used exclusively on volume. change the company, and the results will be automatically updated. As explained in Excel tutorial number 6, Fundamentals and Estimates, some more indicators can be retrieved on estimates values such as high, low, or median. In that instance, the second parameter has a different spelling. For time series figures, only the target price can be used. On the second parameter of your function, use the stat_est keyword. For example, to retrieve the median value of the consensus estimates for target price, you should spell the function as in cell F8 and F9, as shown on screen. For more information on these functionalities, you can use the Help button within the INFGET panel. Or, should you have any further questions, please contact support@infrontfinance.com.